Having high quality and efficient products at your corrections facility is extremely important to making sure things continue to run smoothly. Keep your facility clean with State Cleaning Solutions as your Clear Results partner. Here at State, we provide highly trained representatives to survey your facility and make personalized programs based on your facility's specific needs. State targets areas such as laundry, warewashing, odor control, drain care, disinfection, and provides concentrated products and equipment that will significantly reduce your overall costs. Our representatives make sure to go the extra mile and provide personalized, comprehensive on-site training for all of the products and equipment provided. State also offers monthly maintenance with a 24/7 emergency support that has a 20-minute average response time, making sure that you are covered day and night. Keep your facility clean and efficient with State Cleaning Solutions as your corrections Clear Results partner.